Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogni Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 8, which is blinking a digit. So for this, you should have already completed Project 7, and we just need to add 2 more wires to our Project 7. So let's switch on and see how Project 7 looks. Project 7 is blinking a single segment, right? Now we are going to connect 2 more segments so that it will display number 7 in a blinking fashion. Let's switch it off. Take 2 jumper wires from the kit. One is J15 to J21. J15 to J15 to J21. Okay. Another one, A14 to H21. A14 to H21. So I have connected 2 extra wires to Project 7, and then if you switch it on, you will notice that number 7 is blinking on the 7 segment display. Pin 18 of this CPU IC has been programmed to provide the blinking signal, and we are giving the same signal to all the 3 segments. That is why they all come on together and go off together. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.